Ahwatukee Kitchen and Bath Remodeling. Are you tired of your outdated kitchen or bathroom? Let us take the stress out of your next renovation project. Our design-build approach for remodeling provides a streamlined, all-in-one solution with a single team responsible for design and construction. Everything from custom cabinetry and countertops to luxurious soaking tubs and showers. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and get started on your stress-free upgrade. Bring your vision to life with a custom kitchen and bath remodel in Ahwatukee. When you do kitchen and bath renovations in Ahwatukee, you can turn your vision into reality. You can create a custom design that suits your needs and style with Phoenix Home Remodeling. We offer a wide range of options for your kitchen, including custom cabinetry, beautiful countertops, backsplash and flooring solutions, and state-of-the-art appliances. You can choose from various styles, from classic to modern and everything in between. Our expert team will work with you to ensure your new kitchen is beautiful and functional. We offer luxurious soaking tubs, spacious walk-in showers, custom vanities, and top-quality fixtures for your bathroom. You can choose the perfect materials to match your natural stone or sophisticated porcelain style. Our team will ensure your new bathroom is a peaceful and relaxing oasis. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen or bathroom, our team will guide you through the entire process, from the initial consultation to the final walkthrough. We pride ourselves in delivering impeccable workmanship and customer service, so you can relax and enjoy your beautifully remodeled home. Premium bathroom and kitchen designers. Are you ready to upgrade your bathroom or kitchen into a breathtaking oasis? Our team is passionate about bringing your dream space to life, with every detail taken care of with the utmost care and attention. Whether it's custom cabinetry, countertops, or full-scale renovations, we work closely with you to understand your unique vision and preferences, delivering personalized solutions tailored to your every need. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we're dedicated to delivering perfection in every project, big or small. Our commitment to exceptional results is matched only by our caring approach to customer service. We strive to exceed your expectations, making your experience with us stress-free, exciting, and unforgettable. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.